Got all the big purchases that we wanted. Hey, the fuck also Christmas present now. I got people coming at 9 in the morning to put the new TV up, but cut off Aussie's tail. I think I've got, it's kind of like fufu.
Make sure you wash your hands before you eat.
What's the plan for today? Morning, guys. So we just got a delivery this morning. Still trying to settle in. Well, it's actually looking a lot better than it has been over the last couple days, but we still got like things to put away. That room over there is very much not ready. But that's what we plan to do today. Today's Friday. Aussie's got an RDO. And we are going to, what am I saying? Our TV just got delivered 75 inches up in this place. What you talking about, boy? What you talking about, boy? Got all the big purchases that we wanted, and then obviously it's a new house. So one of the things that we wanted was king bed, bigger TV, and a lounge. We got all of that, and now it's back to stacking that mullah, baby. Okay, fellas and fellas. Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. We ditched the housework for lunch with my sisters here at Enjoy. They called and were like, say less. Totally forgot about you guys. Just put you down on the counter and forgot all about you. Couldn't show you guys my food.
When you return back to work?
After next week. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so full. I had the bacon and egg roll. Had such a good time with my sisters. Every time we meet up, it's like we have these deep D&Ms, and it gets quite emotional. Alright, let's skedaddle. Say hello to everyone.
Hey everybody, it's your boy Joti over here, and here and here. Here the game up, here in New South Wales.
Excuse me, mate. Can you show me where the click and collect is?
Oh, just come back at the front there. We have our decks at the back, so you get your stuff from there. All right.
Yeah, the fuck also Christmas present, Leo. George.
Oh, you're a lot of work,
Oh, remember these when you first came? These are the ones. I want to get Aussie this. We woof you. Aussie, that's bad. I want to buy this for Aussie. Actually, I'm going to get it for him. If I fool, if I see. Oh, man, that's it's a fele. I'm your boo. What it's a lata, but I say, na elingata. Ofia eling of my wallet tunga. Aule nei funga wale ai sita munga. Ana wope ana ilole lofa rutayana omni fapena si omni famaoni. This one's dedicated to the one and only sexy boy, all the way from Jale Aula.
All the way from the lava field. Lava
field, boy.
LPC all the way.
OPC, what?
Lava Boys crew all the way.
No, don't ever. Let's go.
Okay, oi, baby, only for Simau, oi, baby, bear, okay, oi, baby, if I go feel if I car.
Guys, we're still cleaning up. I just keep forgetting to pick up the camera. Keep forgetting I'm a vlogger now. I've gotten rid of 3 couples that were here. Found homes for them. I really don't even want to be in this room. There's a lot to do. But these vacuum bags are so good. So good. So I got all the thick blankets and our hoodies. I don't know if you remember if I showed what this area looked like, but the bench is looking much clearer. I just did a deep clean of the water filter and also re-boiled the alkaline beads, rocks. So this is a chlorine and fluoride filter. There are other filters, but those were the two main ones that I wanted to filter. You guys already know, I've already done a vlog on this. Guys, I'm guessing that the people before us used to feed them, because we've got a friend out there and I'm gonna give it, I don't know if it's a boy or girl, it's huge! Guys, oh my gosh, I'm so hot. So hot, but not too bad because I got the aircon on. Finally finished the visible things. I still got the office room to go and the spare room. I've got so much laundry or so much washing I need to fold and put away. And then lastly, our bedroom, just like little knickknacks I need to find a home for. We do need to do a grocery shop, but these cupboard, what are they called? Like the elevators are so helpful. And I got so much cocoa up there, but that box won't be there tomorrow, so it'll be a little bit more spacious. Plant of mine I left out in the cold in winter, and I just knew that another shoot would grow, so I've got another shoot growing there. I've got people coming at 9 in the morning tomorrow to put the new TV up, but this is the space. And I also put this in my fridge. Aww. My sister cousins from Sarah's 21st years ago. And Aussie, honestly guys, oh, the garage, I wish I did it before. Go show them the garage. Honestly, I'm so grateful. We make such a great team. Aussie absolutely smashed the garage. And Aussie's absolutely smashed outside, honestly. I'm so grateful for this man. Look at what Aussie did. Honestly, that's crazy. He did such an awesome job. Guys, look at our TV. Honestly, it looks so much smaller in camera than in person. I think that's always the case. This is 75-inch. Holy crap. Loving it so much. Hey Georgie, how are you? We've just been chilling for a bit. This is what it's currently looking like, although I've just noticed now standing here that the TV unit is not leveled. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to pick the camera back up. So, oh, change the song please. I just wanted to show you guys the end result. So my LEDs weren't long enough, but it still looks pretty good if you ask me. So this is a different angle. I just added the throw. I also need to get those things off that lounge. But honestly, guys, I love it so much. I just wish the LED lights were a bit longer. Because the other side, the left side's looking a bit bare.
Let's go Pokemon.
It's just this room that we really need to knuckle down on. Just got back from taking the tip. Aussie's headed off to volley. I could get stuck into the office room or at least doing the washing that's in there, but I'm not going to do that because I don't feel like it. But oh my gosh, I just wish my LED lights were longer because it only goes halfway. But I'm so obsessed, so in love with my setup. Literally so in love with it. Like, and this rain just makes it like 10 times better.
You can miss your old house.
Oh! No. Do you miss it?
No.
What? You really think you like this house better than that house? I like that house better than this house.
Oh, don't lie.
Hi.
Someone loving, I'm in love and I'm in love. So we're about to put up our Christmas tree. It's the 10th of December, so we're a little bit late. But never fear, Eben is here.
It's what?
Guys, I was just trying to put up my Christmas tree there, and guess what? I saw a glimpse of an elf, but now I can't find them. Can you see anywhere where this elf may be? You said it's behind me? I just checked and there was nothing behind me. See, there's nothing.
Kind of weird because this doesn't fit me.
Oh my gosh, you look so cool. Merry, Merry Christmas.
And I have been.
Finally finished setting up the Christmas tree. Look how awesome that looks. Thank you, yours truly. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. We've just been spending the day trying to set up the office, and it's coming together pretty nicely, if I say so myself. It's nice and breezy. I love the view. And we've got our old TV here in this room. We're almost there. I've got my books and stuff there. Reading Aussie's Don Bosco reports. It's been super hot here in the capital. So I was reading his report. He actually did so well in maths in his later years. So he did really well in maths in the beginning, and then when he got to a certain age, he was such a moipi. He was so fiakama. He did well in 2010, and then 2011 he did really bad. I guess he was influenced, but it says to angai sui sui yo mea onga ai tu le fata alu sang yo vasenga. But it's looking so nice, guys. I am loving our space so much. Just like taking care of our home, setting everything up. We brought this chair in here just for now, just to see what it looked like. I guess this is going to be like an office slash gaming. And the reason why I went and grabbed the camera, I totally forgot, was because I kept this all this time, guys. I don't know if you remember, but I cut off Aussie's tail. I think I've got a video. I'll try and insert it. But this was back in 2014. My mum said to Aussie that if he wanted to be with me, he has to cut his tail. And guess what, guys?
Before when we first met, I got a tail, right?
Man's cut his tail, so he must have wanted to really be with me. And now look at his tail now. I don't know, let me do it from this angle. And now look at his tail, it's longer than what it was before. But this tail used to come from the side here.
Down here.
Yeah. So I kept this. I came back to Australia and brought it with me, and then it's still here. So we're just going through all of his school stuff.
Ready, Keita? I don't get to put this. Oh, that's good.
Eben, who are you talking to?
Zaya.
What are you playing?
Hello, die over.
Welcome. I have not really been picking up the camera. I'm so sorry because I haven't really edited the other vlogs. Why do I look really tan? I don't know. Yeah, guys, I haven't really been picking up the camera. I'm really sorry because it's just because I feel so unmotivated because I haven't edited the other ones, but I'm so close to editing this one where I'm showing my parents our house. So Sia and Eben have been coming over to dinner at ours quite a bit, and you know what, it's so nice to have people finally come over, because at our old house hardly anyone came over because it was like totally so small. But it's such a nice feeling when you host your family, your loved ones. This is the fricticry at the back there, and we're just watching some YouTube. But Sia kindly cooked us dinner tonight and she brought a little bit of Zambia flavor to the key house. I've already eaten and it was really nice. It's called inshima. So it's like beef stew with inshima. It's kind of like fufu, that kind of thing. Balsi's gonna give us a nice review.
Today I'm eating the shima. This is called fufu.
No, it's called inshima. It's fufu in Nigerian.
But Nigerian is like same as like this.
Yeah, but they call it inshima in Zambia.
Inshima.
Inshima, yeah.
Inshima. So
go for it.
How we eat it? So like that. Make sure you wash your hands before you eat.
You chew it. That's a live review, guys. Aussie has not tasted it. This is his first time tasting it. Not too much. You just need a bit with the meat.
Yeah, nice.
Actuals? I liked it too. Sia did a good job. Sia said that they cook it way nicer than her in Zambia, but I thought it was really nice. So well done, sister.
It's nice. Make sure you meat tamari in shima like that. Wash the layo dimma before you eat it. Oh yeah, it's really nice. Very good job. Now favor for you now. And shima.
And also you also got a side of rice because there wasn't enough. So let me taste this one, guys. I love rice so much.
Yeah, make sure I get your
I got this from the place in Lumia. I don't know, I'm not a fan. Not a fan of this.
The bread.
The yeast is very strong in here. Hello everybody. Good morning. Good morning SV squad. We are so close to the holiday period and today is my last day of work. So yeah, feeling kind of tired because it's been like the last week of work. I've kind of like been on holiday mode, staying up late, not really caring, and last night was one of those nights and today's the last day. So Aussie's last day was yesterday, which is why he's dropping me off. I'm happy it's the last day of work, so
happy to stay home, relax.
Guys, sorry, the camera. We have finished cleaning our house. I just got those small little things to put away, like socks and stuff from the kamera. But our room is looking spick and span. I cleaned the bathroom, the office. But look, I want to give you guys a review of my portrait that took so friggin' long to get here. I couldn't get it off my sister, it didn't fit in her car, so we had to drive our ute up to get it. But that's it, like how awesome is that? It's pretty big. I don't know if you can tell in the photo, but it takes up the whole wall. And yeah, guys. Yeah. There's the other end of the house that you guys haven't seen yet, but this is what we're working with, guys. I also got my clock there, which I got from TK Maxx yesterday. We got back from shopping like an hour ago. And shout out to Aussie's work. Courtesy of you, we were able to do our Christmas shopping on you, thanks to your gift voucher. So we decided last minute that we would have a barbecue, our first barbecue in our new place.
Right.
We've got baby boy there. We gave him a nice warm bath out here. Hi, sweetie. Because your bum stank. And we got Georgie out here. Georgie boy, cooking up a storm. Georgie, what's going on here, Georgie? Talk us through. Talk us through.
We'll see you guys right now. Just enjoy your, your holiday. Cooking some barbecue.
Some what?
Some barbecue. Cooking some barbie and then enjoy the Christmas week.
Oh, a bit too steamy there, Georgie. I think you need to turn it down a bit. Too steamy.
No barbecue is like my barbecue. My barbecue is like.
Oh, fierce barbecue. They mau e fia lo barbecue ah. Ele mau e fia barbecue like sham.
Engare me ro.
Oh, nice, Georgie.
Wa I mo wa barbecue mar. Ye mo e fia. See? Juicy.
Shut up. So just chilling out here. They've got these like cute little wooden chairs out here, and I'm just sitting on this nice bricky thing. Hi, sweetie. Oh, he's so adorable. My boy's so handsome. He's the handsomest dog in this world. Okay, guys, our meal is finally ready. Nice. I'm still making the potato salad because the eggs are boiling. And we got garden salad and pasta salad and kebabbies over there. See, look how nice my portrait looks. Wow.
Welcome everybody. We come here for breakfast, but it's almost lunchtime now. And this goes like kope danguku. Yes, go over here kure alo sui rumai. Yo, nguku ro.
Ebs, you take a photo with Mum.
Hi.
Ebs.
Huh? Mommy, show them the photo. Look, look. There's the photos. Old lady, maybe a Karen, and Auntie Vicky.
Nice. What are you doing? Morning, guys. Having breakfast here at Enjoy. Got the squad, got the crew, got the teammates. What's the plan for today? Lotte. Oh, fai kako lotte. Welcome, my dear sister. Because I'm sure your parents are going to have lots of requests.
Are you sure? Or am I going to be spending their numerous? No, they still do it anyway.
Our food here. Got the French toast. Esther and I are sharing the bacon and thingy. I can't think this morning. Toast, bacon and egg roll. Hey SV Squad.
What's up, SV Squad?
What it is, yo. So we're just sitting here waiting for Esther to finish her shoe shopping. I don't see her in there anymore, actually. By the time you watch this, Darnell, you would have already known that I had you, so I already got you TNs. I don't know if I should get you, like, a shirt to go with it, which is well over budget, so, let me think about it. I just don't know who his favourite team is.
It is fine team.
He told me last time, but I can't remember who they were. So this is what they have, this place here. It's called Stateside Sports. And they've got all these shirts here, but show the vlog. What'd you get?
Glasses.
Shout out who?
Shout out Esther.
Right now you're about to see what it looks like for Eben to be a spaceship boy.
What?
Oh, what up? What up, Snoopy Snoop?